Good morning guys. So we are back with another video, and this video will be solely based on the adenium plants. So guys, if you don't know, this adenium I have purchased from a local nursery in Kolkata. I'll give the number and the contact number of the seller down below in the description link. So kindly go and check it there. So today I'm going to discuss about how to repot this. I have bought 10 of these plants, adenium plants. The numbers are given here, which shows the different variety. All are rosy varieties and they are grafted. So I'll be reporting each one of them, and I'll show you the exact procedure, the potting mix, and how to do it. So keep on watching, and hopefully I think you'll like this video. Thank you. So guys, I'll show you. These are my adenium plants. There are 10 of these plants which I have bought, each of different varieties. So in the description below I'll give you all the links to which all the varieties, the names of it. And this is the different 10 pots. These are all the plastic pots, 6 inches. So I have got all these pots, and this is the potting mix which I have made for adenium. So I'm going to show you how to make the potting mix. So what I do is this: I take this pot, which is cleaned properly from beforehand, and we'll put some stone chips or the broken bricks to cover the holes below, so that the clogged pots don't get clogged. So pots should be properly, this drainage system should be made proper first before doing any potting. That is the first and foremost important thing. After putting the stones, what we do is that we take a sand, normal sand, river sand we take, and we sprinkle over the stones, okay, and we make a small layer over it. So the drainage system is very important in adenium potting mix. After that, what we do is that we make the potting mix. So for the potting mix, we take normal garden soil. Then we take the coarse river sand, which consists of gravels. Then we take vermicompost. Then we take dried leaf mold compost. Then we take rice husk. Next is a mixture fertilizer, neem powder, bone dust, superphosphate, and potash, just 1 spoon each. Then 1 spoon of Bavistine, or can take any fungicide. So after taking, we'll mix the equal proportion will mix thoroughly, and we make the soil mix, which I've already made before and kept. So this is the soil mix which I've already made. Thoroughly mix the soil mix. after mixing, we'll fill almost half of it. Till the half portion, we'll fill it up. Till half portion we filled up. Like this, similarly way we filled up this 10 pots because I have these 10 plants. So I'll be showing you how to pot them. I'll take one by one the adenium plants. So this is the adenium plant taken, which I have already kept in the fungicide yesterday night for half an hour in the soft fungicide, or you can use Bavistine. Like see, I have used Bavistine. You can use soft if you want. So what I do is, I'll take the pot. Remember, these plants are already treated before. And before putting the plant, what we should do is, we should apply some fungicide over it, the soil, top surface, because adeniums are more prone for fungal infection. So we put some fungicide powder. Then what we do is that we just put the plants like this. We'll make them sit, and we'll cover the remaining with the soil. So like this we fill up the potting mix. Then you press it and make it tight. So our adenium first potting is done. It's ready. Should not bury it deep inside. This contact spot should be outside. Actually, you can fill it a little bit more. pot is ready. So we take another pot, clear some inches of it. So you can see how fat the cortex is. So this soft part and all, is not don't worry about that. Automatically it's already treated, become fine. Make sure to apply fungicide at the base of the plant. Make sure to make this plant sit in the center of the pot.